Hi guys, I'm back with another DIY. In this DIY, I'll be making rope wall art. So I've had a basket cover hanging on my kitchen wall for quite a while, and I always wanted to kind of recreate it and make something to hang on my wall. Don't forget to check the description box for all that you will need. So first I started with a charger that I wanted to use. I love this, I got this from Michael's, but then I realized that the hot glue would not stick to the back. So I grabbed a serving tray from the Dollar Tree, and I'm peeling off the tag there, and I just started going in a circular motion. Now you just make sure you put a good amount of glue to hold the center down, and then as you go along you glue and wrap, and continue that motion. Now it's very simple to do, but it's very time consuming. I thought I would be done in 15 minutes and it took me like an hour. So right here I ran out of rope. Bummer. But Dollar Tree to the rescue. I had jute rope from the Dollar Tree in my house, so I decided to use that. And as you can see, the color is different. It's a tad bit darker, and it's a tad bit larger in size. The rope is fatter, but that was fine with me because I figure it would bring some more earthy looking tone to my design. So I glued it down the edge of the first rope, and then you want to make sure the edges are exactly together. Put them in because you kind of want it to be seamless. In this case it's not going to be seamless because it's a darker rope but okay, you want to do that, and then you just go around. I think I went around here at least maybe 2 times, I would say, and I had enough rope left over to make a handle. So right here I'm trying to decide on the length of my handle, or if I should make it into put 2 handles on the side. I decided to make it like a, like a hanging bag on your, what do you call, like a shoulder bag, and just hang it on the wall. I figured this was the easiest way to just glue the 2 sides down, and then I have it to hang on the wall. I then grabbed some thread I had on hand, also from the Dollar Tree. I've had these for quite a while. I just picked them up because they look cute, and now here I have uses for them. So they came in a pack of red, brown, and yellow. A pack of 3. So I tried to sew this at first with a straight needle and it wouldn't work, so I had to get a curve to go around, and you just go around. I used red, and then I went around 3 more times with the brown color. I figured I would give it a nice kind of weaved baskety look, I guess. So after I did that, I hang it on my wall, and I realized that the handle would not be strong enough to hold it. Maybe it would have been, but I don't want my stuff falling off the wall. So I went back and I decided to switch my design, and I'm gonna give it this little cinched in look, I guess. I don't know what to call it, but I have seen something like this in these African stores, so I figured, hey, I'll do my thing to look like that. And then I'm measuring out 2 pieces of the thread, the tweed thread. I'm going to intertwine them with each other, and then wrap it around, what's that, the top of my, that's actually coming out to look as though it's a handle, but I'm not going to use it as a handle. It's going to be my design. I'll just go with my design. Put a dollop of hot glue to keep your thread in place. Clean up your edges. Now here I grabbed, this is a piece of, I think, yarn, and I'm just gonna glue it onto the back. And be careful because since it's a plastic charger, it was slipping around. See? But the glue did not dry right away, so I just fixed it into place, give it a while to dry, came back and put some duct tape on the back to make sure it's very secure. That's it. So yeah, I decided to hang it on my wall. It's not in my kitchen as yet, but that's what it looks like. I think it turned out pretty good. If you look closely, there's some flaws, yes, but you'll see the threading in the middle, the little swirl with the brown and the outer part, there's a red. If you're an earth tone person like me, you wouldn't mind it. So here is what it looked like before I changed it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe. Until next time, bye!